In a world full of distractions, it's easy to lose sight of our goals. But remember, your journey is uniquely yours. Let's embark on a path of self-discovery and empowerment, focusing on our aspirations and refraining from comparison. Like a doctor, dedicate yourself to your goals with unwavering commitment. Just as they heal and save lives, you can achieve greatness through perseverance. Nurses show us the power of compassion and resilience. Stay focused on your path, and you'll find success amidst challenges. Lawyers navigate complex legal terrains, advocating for justice. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll overcome any obstacle in your way. Engineers shape the world with innovation and problem-solving. Keep your eyes on your objectives, and you'll turn dreams into reality. Financial advisors guide others toward financial freedom. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll pave your own path to success. Athletes push their limits to achieve greatness. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll reach new heights of success. Consultants drive positive change through expertise and adaptability. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll lead with confidence. Your goals are not defined by others' achievements. Trust in your journey, believe in yourself, and reach for the stars. Your success is within reach. Embrace it with courage and conviction.